So these launch on the 26th, and I also have something special going on that day, so just follow Kylie Cosmetics to stay tuned always. So these launch on So this kit is called In With The New. So how I like to wear these, the metals, is I love to put my lip liners are super creamy. They're almost like lipstick. So I like to put them all over my lips and then hit the center with this really pretty. This is the Naughty is the New Nice kit, which was, this color was previewed in the 8-piece, but now it has a matching lip liner and you could buy it separately. I love this combo. And then we got Midnight Kiss, which is this gorgeous nude and this like rose gold metal topper.